So now I am on Pixel Studio, but this will work on layout, pixel or vector. So now I'm just going to type text. So just left click, select the artistic text. So I'm just going to type text. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the font to N10. And then I'm going to increase the size to 500. And now I'm just going to select the move tool. And then I'm just going to center it. So in order to skew layer, for example, I'm going to use this text here. Make sure you're on the move tool. I'm going to select here the transform here. So this is the skew here. It will tell you how degrees. So if I change it, so here it is. So if you don't have the transform tab here, just go to Window, General, and then check the transform. As you can see, for me it checked. So now this is one way of transforming it from here. You can also transform it from the handle. So if I hover over this point here and then go to the right, as you can see, my cursor changes to two arrows, one up and then one down. So and then here, as you can see, can skew, for example, vertically. So if I want it to transform it horizontally, I just need to go to one of the handles here, the top or bottom. As you can see, my cursor changes into the left and right arrow, and then here I can. So as you can see, the values here change. So let's say I'm going to change it to 50. So here it is. So you can also scale it down.